Hey, how are you doing? It's been a while. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how to play All the Glory Must Be to the Lord. A very simple, slow tempo song. Yes, I'm going to do it on G since most people request me to play it on G for them. So, no. So first, all the glory must be, all the glory is your Lord must be, is your soul to the Lord, your fall, your fa. For he is your soul, is worthy for all our praise. One. No man, that is your lamb, on earth, your soul should give glory to his soul. All the glory must be to the. So one is do, two is re, three is mi, four is fa, five is so. Your thumbs up, la. So let's go. And all the glory must be to the Lord. Hey, for he is worthy of our praise. No man on earth should be glory to his. All the glory must be to God. All the glory must be. You can play your fa or your re. You can play fa, sol, or all the glory. Your re, this is your re. All the glory must be. Your D chord is your sol. To the again, no man on earth should give to his. No, to the no man on earth should give glory. Glory still must be to God. Glory must be to God. Glory must be to God. Glory must be to God. All the glory must be to her. See you in the next video. Your comment section is for you. Tell me the song you want.